Energy. We use it to create quality food for our customers. We expend it to provide a memorable dining experience for our guests. And in the bottom line of the restaurant industry, we pay for it. In an era of steadily rising energy costs, restaurateurs from corporate chains to single-store owners are seeking energy-saving solutions to lower utility bills, increase profitability, and create necessary funds for service, menu, and facility improvements. In the kitchen, the grill is the heart. Whether it's pumping out a juicy burger, chicken fajitas, or filet mignon with foie gras. And that heart takes energy, a lot of it. U.S. Department of Energy data reports show that for restaurants, cooking is the biggest user of natural gas, claiming 45% of total natural gas usage, followed by water heating at 28% and space heating at 27%. A busy grill means money in the till and a big utility bill. But what if you could capture the energy from your grill and reuse it? Now you can. The Dragonfire Thermal Recovery Filter allows you to convert exhaust heat from your kitchen grill into energy for heating. This patented green innovation functions as both a grease filter and a heat reclamation device, converting up to 60% of hot grill exhaust into energy to heat water or make up air. Invented by a chef and restaurateur exclusively for the restaurant industry, Bob Prasser tells how the idea for Dragonfire came about.
At the time, I was the owner and chef at a restaurant in Wabeno, Wisconsin called Der Stubby. One morning, while my dad and I were doing all the prep work, we had a salesman come in and try to sell us a water bath hood system. Well, after that salesman left, we decided that was a great way to remove grease, but if you're going to put water up in the hood, why not use that water to heat up the water and put it into your hot water heating system already hot? So what we did is we took some of those filters out, took them out into our shop, and we soldered in copper tubes right into the grease filter itself. Well, after we did that, we put it back into the hood, we started it up, and we ran the water through the hood and into the hot water heater. What we found is that we were not only able to heat the water, but we removed more grease than anything we'd ever seen before. So my dad and I, we thought, let's try to bring this out to market for everyone else in the restaurant industry to give a try. Well, after 19 years of development, we finally got the system exactly right, and we're ready to take it to market now.
Dragonfire thermal recovery filters can be installed within new or existing commercial restaurant or public kitchens. Available in standard filter sizes, the Dragonfire thermal recovery filter replaces the conventional grease filter within the vent hood. No alterations are required. Dragonfire filters are manufactured in the USA to TS 16949 quality standards. Dragonfire thermal recovery filters are built to last. ASME, UL, and CUL certified. The filter, baffles, and connectors are constructed of heavy-gauge stainless steel for maximum durability and longevity. Quality craftsmanship features include hemmed edges and sturdy stainless steel handles for easy and safe handling. The heat exchanger within each filter is formed of highly conductive copper tubing to provide the ultimate in heat transfer. Teflon coating of the heat exchanger deters grease buildup and makes cleaning fast and easy. Here's a money-saving example. In a typical restaurant, the water heater must raise the temperature of the water by 95 degrees. When Dragonfire is used to preheat the water heater must only raise the water temperature by 15 degrees. That's 80 degrees of free heat. With Dragonfire, you'll use less energy to power your water heating equipment, which can save an estimated $6,900 a year in fuel costs. And by lessening the heating workload, Dragonfire also saves water heater maintenance costs. When installed along with an air handler, Dragonfire filters can be used to heat makeup air. Eco-friendly Dragonfire thermal recovery filters heat water or makeup air using only the heat produced from the cook line, offering an environmentally sustainable way to reduce energy usage and save money. 2 stages of filtering trap more grease, and the liquefying action of the heat exchanger sends more grease to the trough than conventional filters. The thermal mass of the heat exchanger liquefies the grease adhering to the filter and sends it to the trough. Using stainless steel flex hose with self-sealing quick connects, Dragonfire thermal recovery filters snap on and snap off for easy disconnection, cleaning, and reconnection. The entire unit, heat exchanger included, can be run through a high-temperature dishwasher or washed by hand. Heavy-gauge stainless steel filter, baffles, and connectors in Teflon-coated copper heat exchanger are built to last. 3/8 of an inch NPT inlets and outlets allow for easy installation of multiple units. Now let's take a behind-the-scenes look at an actual restaurant installation. Our installation will take place at Champ's Restaurant and Bar in Irving, Texas, a bustling suburb of Dallas. Champ's will use their Dragonfire thermal recovery filters to preheat water for their existing water heating application. Here is the grill bank, where our plumber will remove the conventional filters and install the new Dragonfire filters. Our plumber begins by adjusting the piping to route a portion of the incoming water supply to the Dragonfire filters. Connecting the Dragonfire filters with the water coming into the building and the existing water heater will supply Dragonfire with water to heat and a way to send that heated water to the water heater. Dragonfire filters can be used with tank-type water heaters, instantaneous water heaters, and boilers. Now, a circulating pump is installed. This pump pushes the water through the Dragonfire filters and onto the water heater. We'll need a way to power off the system for cleaning and maintenance. That's the control box, our next big step in the installation process. Inside this control box are the power on-off switch for the circulating pump and the controls to release water pressure on the system, monitor the water temperature and pressure, and to stop and start the flow of water. First, the existing grease filters are removed. These will be replaced with 8 Dragonfire filters arranged in a series using Quick Connect flex hose. The Dragonfire filters will fit into the existing channels of the vent hood. No alterations are required. Once the system is operational, the ground temperature water will enter on one end of the filter bank. As it travels through the copper heat exchanger within each filter, the water will capture the energy from the hot exhaust over the grill and increase in temperature. The water exiting the filters will range in temperature from 100 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. From here it will travel on to the water heater. In between the Dragonfire filters and the water heater, the plumber has installed the system's safety features, including a water hammer arrestor, pressure relief valve, and an expansion tank, which regulate the water pressure within the system. Though the Dragonfire system is designed to work in conjunction with the water heater, if a problem should occur with Dragonfire filter operation, the water heater will continue to operate. Specializing in cost-saving and fuel-efficient technologies, National Hot Water is the national distributor and installer of Dragonfire thermal recovery filters. National Hot Water provides consultation, design, sales, service, and support for domestic hot water heating applications, including hybrid geothermal water heating systems, as well as customized water softening solutions, water filtration equipment, and AC dehumidification systems. With the industry's largest nationwide network of certified plumbing HVAC contractors, National Hot Water provides coast-to-coast, 24/7 service to handle emergency repair and replacement, scheduled maintenance, and new installation for the restaurant, hotel, motel, and healthcare industries. For more information, contact National Hot Water, toll-free at 888-444-4435 or www.nationalhotwater.com/dragonfire.